this one, so I'll definitely have to talk with our people first.
The Voice of the People Party, VPP, has secured victories in all 3 assembly constituencies in West Khasi Hills district, including Nongstoin, Ramrai Jirngam and Maushanrud assembly constituencies. In Nongstoin, VPP garnered 21,984 votes, clinching victory with a commanding margin of 15,503 against the INC. Congress secured 9,439 votes, while NPP received 6,293, UDP 620, Lakhon Khma 549, Peter Shalam 212 and Nota 197. VPP supporters celebrate Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon's victory in Nongstoin. They gathered near the NRL petrol pump in Nongstoin to celebrate the victory of their party candidate, Dr. Ricky A.J. Sinkon. In southwest Khasi Hills, VPP thanked the supporters from both Maukarwat and Ranikor assembly constituencies for supporting the VPP.